Bored of eating the same old sabudana khichdi or sabudana vada? Today I'll be showing you how to make soft, crispy, instant sabudana dosa. Welcome back to Dr. Mamta's Vegetarian Kitchen. To make sabudana dosa, I have taken 1 cup of sago or sabudana. Wash the sabudana and drain the water out. Soak the sabudana. The water should be just enough to cover the sabudana. Keep it aside for 4 hours. To make the dosa batter, I am taking 4 cups of rice flour. I am measuring it in the same cup that I measured sabudana. 1/4 cup yogurt. If you're vegan, just skip this step. Add some water and mix everything thoroughly till you have a batter with no lumps. Once you have a smooth batter, add the sabudana, but please check the sabudana grains and see if it is soft enough. You can also soak the sabudana overnight and make this batter in the morning for breakfast. We'll keep this batter aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to add the seasoning. So first I'm going to put cumin seeds, some green chillies, some coriander leaves, and last but not the least, salt. Our dosa batter is ready. Make sure it's watery enough to spread the dosas easily. Heat a pan and put 1 spoon oil. You can use a cast iron pan if you want. Put 1 spoon of the batter and spread it to make a medium thick pancake. Close the pan with a lid and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes. If you want the dosa to be crispier, just cook it on a lower flame for a longer time. So now we'll cook it on the other side. So close the lid again and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Our dosa is ready. The raw mangoes are in season, so I'm going to serve it with some mango chutney. You can use fine rava instead of rice flour. This dosa is full of texture. The sabudana is crisp and the rice flour gives it a soft texture. So friends, do let me know how this recipe turns out for you in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.